So here's a quick tutorial to download ChatGPT in your smartphone. So the process is going to be very simple. Just watch the video till the end and make sure to follow all the steps properly. Let's jump right into it. All you need to do, head over to any of your browser. Now I recommend you to use Google Chrome, and all you need to do then, you're gonna go to ChatGPT's site, which is basically chat.openai.com/chat. And once you're there, okay, so my login section is expired. I'm going to log in again. And here we go. And you can see this is the ChatGPT. And if you want to download this, all you need to do, head over and click on these three vertical dots in the top right. And here we have add to home screen. And once you hit that, now you can give it a name. So I'm going to write ChatGPT. Now simply click on add. Now again click on add. As you can see right here, I have the ChatGPT at my home screen. Now if I go and close all the things, and once I open it up, it will directly redirect me to ChatGPT's site, and from there I can easily access ChatGPT. So this is basically how you can download ChatGPT in your smartphone. So all for today's video guys, thank you so much for watching.